Welcome back to my channel, Online Earning Ways. Today, we are diving into how you can start making real money on Facebook in 2025. Yes, Facebook isn't just for scrolling memes anymore. It's a powerful platform to build income streams. I'll cover practical ways to monetize Facebook this year. And if you're interested in more, let me know in the comments. I've got plenty more tips. Let's start with Facebook Creator Monetization. If you create reels, videos, or go live, Facebook will actually pay you through things like in-stream ads for longer videos, stars during Facebook Live, and even Reels Play bonuses for viral content. If you meet the requirements, like follow count and engagement, these tools can turn your regular posts into passive income. It's like YouTube AdSense, but right on Facebook. Next up, Facebook Shops. If you sell physical or digital products, you can list them directly on your page and connect with both Facebook and Instagram audiences. Whether it's merch, planners, art, or ebooks, this is a goldmine for creators and small businesses. And if you run Facebook ads, you can get targeted customers to land directly on your shop, ready to buy. Next earning method is, now here's something many overlook: Facebook groups. If you build a niche community around a topic you love, like fitness, marketing, freelancing, or crypto, you can monetize it in multiple ways. Charge a small membership fee, drop affiliate links for tools and courses, or offer exclusive coaching sessions inside the group. People pay for value, and a group is a great way to build trust and consistent income. Let's talk about services. If you're a freelancer, like a graphic designer, writer, virtual assistant, or even a tutor, Facebook groups and marketplace are awesome places to promote your skills. Post in relevant niche groups, share your work, and watch clients come in organically. It's especially effective for local services, digital coaching, or consulting gigs. Next one is affiliate marketing on Facebook. Facebook is a great platform to share valuable products and earn commissions through affiliate links. You can do this in posts, reels, stories, or even inside niche groups. How it works: sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Sharia Sale, or Digistore24. Promote affiliate links through engaging posts, reviews, or tutorials. Add shortened or tracked links using tools like Bitly or Beacons. Pro tip: build a niche Facebook page or group. For example, fitness, parenting, tech gadgets, and consistently post helpful content that naturally includes your affiliate products. Earnings potential: if done right, one viral post or product recommendation can generate recurring commissions for months. Last but not the least, earning method is Facebook Stars, live stream monetization. If you regularly go live on Facebook, whether it's for gaming, teaching, entertainment, or just casual chats, you can earn money through Facebook Stars. What are stars? Viewers buy stars and send them during your live stream. Facebook pays you 1 cent per star received. The more engaging your live content, the more stars you can earn. Eligibility: have at least 500 followers, stream for a set number of minutes, over the last 30 days. Meet Meta's partner monetization policies, best niches, gaming, tutorials, makeup, cooking, tech, motivational talks, behind-the-scenes content, Q&A sessions. Pro tip: ask viewers to support you with stars during live sessions, and keep them engaged with polls, shoutouts, and giveaways. Also, don't forget, Facebook is great for sending traffic to your blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. It's like having a built-in audience engine that boosts your views and income across multiple platforms. So whether you're selling a product, offering a service, or creating content, Facebook is still one of the best platforms to monetize in 2025. If you want to learn more advanced ways or have questions, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to follow BinLogix, a leading IT and digital consulting company helping creators and businesses build smart online income streams. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.